Before unpacking, inspect the outer box for any damage. Make sure the box is upright before opening. Do not open the box upside down. Cut open the packing tape. Open the carton. Please read the user manual and quick start guide before use. Remove the foam box from the carton. Cut the straps around. These two wooden boards are provided for testing and camera calibration purposes. Lift the top foam cover. Take out the power adapter and tool bag from the side holes. Take the main unit out of the foam packaging. Tear off the protective bag to reveal the laser machine. Take the laser module out from the inside. Remove the stickers on both sides. Lift the lid. Remove the internal foam box. Inside the foam box you will find white cable, power cord, USB cable, exhaust hose, working panel, triangle prism panel, hose connector and clamp, tool bag, power adapter. In tool bag you will find screwdriver, USB-C converter, wrench, positioning pieces. Unwrap the laser module to fully reveal it. Remove the stickers both sides. Close the lid. Remove the protective foam. Place the laser module inside. Lift the lid. Remove the lens cover. Place the working panel in position. Stabilize the laser head with one hand. Tighten the screw with the other hand to fix the head securely. Use the wrench to tighten it further. Remove the 4 screws on the back. Install the hose connector. Connect the exhaust hose. Tighten the clamp to secure the hose. Direct the other end of hose outside through a window. Insert the power cord into the power adapter. Plug in power cord and USB cable. Plug it into a power source. Insert the USB cable into a laptop port. Power on your Lumos Flex. The machine is now ready for use. Please visit WeCreat official website and download the version 3.0.5 or newer of Make It software to work with your Lumos Flex. Lift the lid. Place a wood board on the laser bed. Open the Make It software. Click New Project. Choose Blue Light. Click Refresh button. Manually turn the knob until the red and blue lights overlap. Click Confirm. Now you will see the board image on canvas. Navigate to Settings. Click Camera Calibration. Click Start Calibration. Please read and click Next Step. After Confirm, click Start Calibration. Click Confirm. The Lumos Flex will draw 9 cross marks randomly. Until it completes, then you can start your creation. Remove the board. Place a new wood board on the working panel. Click Image. Import a design on canvas. Adjust the position and size of the image. Set parameters for fill engraving. Click Framing to check if it will engrave the correct position. Click Start. If no need to change, click Send. Press the button to start processing. Enjoy your first creation.